Hi, I'm Christy Hall, a board-certified PA and owner of Skin Appeal Medical Aesthetics and Microchristi Skincare in Tucson, Arizona. I'm also author of the best-selling book, Your Beauty Advocate, a no-nonsense guide to age-defying skincare. I've had the privilege of treating thousands of patients over the past 20 years and have gained extensive expertise and experience in all things beauty. Now I want to share that knowledge with you and help you achieve the best skin of your life. Let's talk about toners and swipes. After your face is washed, to tone or not to tone, that can be quite the skincare question. My answer is, it depends. The older generation of toners that you might be used to seeing were full of chemicals, came in an array of unnatural colors, and could probably take the paint off of a car. These types of products should absolutely not be used on the skin. But on the other hand, the newer generations of toners are more like a spa treatment and act as a prep for the skin between cleansing and serum treatments. These new age toners help to adjust the pH of the skin after cleansing, which in turn allows for better penetration of the therapeutic and anti-aging bioactive ingredients in your serums that follow. This step is a must, especially if you live in an area with less than optimal water supply. Most skincare serums and moisturizers are formulated to penetrate the skin at its normal pH level. So some cleansers and the type of water you use will alter the skin's natural pH. Let's talk about our Microchristi Toners. Our Lavender Hibiscus Toner, which is step 2 after cleansing in our Microchristi Skin System, is a gentle facial mist that envelops your skin in lavender-infused nourishment to soothe, hydrate, and balance your complexion. It is great for all skin types and prepares your skin for the next steps of your skincare regimen. It is also great for setting your makeup or throwing in your bag for a quick refresh during the hot summer days. We also offer swipes that are perfectly dosed, pre-moistened pads that glide seamlessly over the skin to swipe away residual dirt, debris, and surface impurities. These are not like the heavy astringent pads you may remember from your youth, but an innovative combination of 10 essential oils that simultaneously clarify, promote healing, and exfoliate dead and dulling cells. We offer 2 kinds of swipes, refreshing and rejuvenating. Our rejuvenating swipes are an amazing and best for brightening, evening out skin tone and texture, enhancing other serum absorption, anti-aging, and pore refining. They contain both lactic and glycolic acid in addition to 10 essential oils to pH balance and promote microbiome health. For great results, but without as much kick as our rejuvenating swipes, try our refreshing swipes. These will refresh and balance your skin with key ingredients like organic aloe, willow herb, jasmine, and sandalwood. For more information and special offers on this and much more, go to skincaremk.com and join our newsletter today. Feel more confident and beautiful with the best skin of your life.